Hey everybody, it's PJ.
Not the toes.
Jade just finished feeding the puppies for their last meal of the night, and they are wound up. They are wound up. It is amazing how much they grow each and every day. They're doing so much more. Every day they do something new. And Jade, I think, is going to learn not to wear sandals out here anymore.
Hey. Not worth getting up.
No, I keep telling Great they're going to lose their boots and stuff. Did you just run into the chair?
And I was pretending to be calm. I was like, oh, I'm cool.
Yeah, I meant to do that. I meant to do that. Oh, they're being so funny.
Hi. You smell like skunk.
Like
His
skunk.
breath does.
Oh, you don't like puppy breath? They do like the pool noodle. Oh, I brought them there. I brought them that. Toss that to them. Wants to play with that. Ooh, what is that? That's new. That's Mommy's coconut water drink. Can you get a bite of it?
He's trying to pick it up. And that's not large enough.
You're just so wound up. You're so wound up tonight.
Joey's still stalker.
Jade and I keep wanting to play with them, and they just want to play with each other. So Jade and I are just sitting here until they come over and attack us and eat our toes.
Yeah.
Pretty much, right? The big bad mop. Oh, hello, Phoebe. Did Rachel scare you?
She's just...
So Jade and my plan tomorrow is...
Look at Joey.
Make sure I did screw that on well enough. I don't want them to okay, I thought I did, but when are we going to be back open to the public? I don't know. I do not have a date. Right now I am understaffed, and I do not have the staff to open to the public. We are spending all of our time taking care of animals and shipping out all of your soap orders. So everybody who orders online gets all their soap and their lotion and their liquid soap and deodorant and laundry soap and all of that stuff. We have tried to hire a couple people. We have, and not having much success with that. I think the unemployment bonus is definitely hurting us. We had someone scheduled to start full-time this week and no-showed. Never showed up, never called, never texted, nothing. So right now we're understaffed, and I can't open to the public when we're understaffed because the animals always have to come first. And if we're too busy taking care of people on the farm to take care of animals, that's not good for anybody. So I do not know. Brett is still on maternity leave. So there's a lot of, yeah. So I wish I had an answer for you, but I don't. I totally think there's puppy therapy. That's why I keep sharing, because I think everybody needs this. It just makes me happy. I come out and I spend a lot of time out here with the puppies for their 8 to 10 weeks, but then whenever I have a deal with a...
I think they're getting tired though, because they keep coming back to this chair.
They all flop down and go to sleep when they're ready for bed. Their awake play periods keep getting longer and longer. Oh, that's awesome. Jessica got my orders, and I love your soaps. That makes me happy. I was gonna say something, but I
That was
forgot.
good. Did you see that? They all quieted down and then they were fine. Yeah, see, they were getting... You're right, it was a good toy.
I thought it was. I don't have a plastic water bottle, which is the other one I keep meaning to get them, but I don't use plastic water bottles, so I don't have one. But I do have my coconut milk, coconut water. Yes, Jade got up super early this morning because it was hay day, and so she's been out working on. I love when people do. You getting tired, Phoebes? Kay says, is your laundry soap okay to use with baby clothes? Absolutely, I did all the time. We get a lot of really great feedback from the laundry soap with cloth diapers, if anybody's using cloth diapers. I never did cloth diapers, but people definitely recommend the vinegar rinse with it. But yes, that's what Brett uses on all her baby stuff, what I used on my babies. Diane says, are all of these babies spoken for? They are all spoken for. We are taking deposits on the next litter. And I have 2 deposits on the next litter already. So if it's something you're serious in, I wouldn't delay. I would be happy to spend lots of time answering all of your questions. Jade and I just spent the last hour watching more puppy training videos. We said that these guys would be allowed to go to their new homes at 8 weeks, but I am seriously rethinking that, and we think probably 10 weeks is better. So we'll give the people who are their owners, their new owners, that choice. Because I did say they could go home at 8 weeks, but we send out every week. We send out a puppy update email to the owners, and we give them, questions and how the puppies are progressing and what they're doing and what they're learning and things for them to prepare for when their puppies come home. And so we'll include that in there. But anyway, if you want to find more information, I just added a new page to the website. So normally I refer people to the page gmsdogs.com/puppy. And which is still a great page to go to learn about. But up in the navigation at the top, there's a new page that says upcoming litters. So you can look at that and see what's going on, and I will keep that updated. Who's got that toy, Rachel? Who's got that toy? She's like, mine, and you can't have it. And you can't have it.
Yeah, they're definitely getting tired.
Yeah. Who's lying down there? I can't see him. Phoebe's sleepy.
Joey has this fascination with his tail.
With his tail?
He chases his tail all the time. Whoa! Joey's backing up. Who's that? Who's this?
It's like Rachel.
I think Rachel's the dominant one right now, honestly.
She's surprising me. She's surprising me. She's a little feistier than I thought she would be. In a good way.
He's trying to bite. He's just biting the rod.
I love when they just take the toy and go tripping over it. Aren't you?
No, Joey.
Hey, Joey.
I think definitely the two that are most are Chandler and Rachel.
Right now, but it's still.
I mean, it changes every day.
It does, and that's why I like to wait till 6 weeks, because first it was Phoebe, then it was Joey, then it was Chandler dominated Joey today, and now Rachel's being all. So yeah, they're.
All right, I count that's 4 out of 5.
They're getting tired.
5 out of 5.
Oh, it's even pulling at the pool noodle. Joey is. I have to sneeze.
I have to scream in pain. Leave my toes alone.
Did you get that tunnel? Did you get that tunnel? Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Chandler's coming. Chandler's coming to get you. Nope, Chandler's coming to get me. Chandler's coming to get me. I got one. Hi, Chandler. They're getting tired, but they're not quite all the way tired yet. They're not quite all the way. That's my shoelace. I'm not going to have any shoelaces by the time.
But I'm not going to have any toes.
Well, hopefully you'll stick with toes. So, oh, that's what I started to say before, and I got totally sidetracked. So, Jade and I have decided that they are now eating well enough that tomorrow, whoa, who is that, Joey?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the first, that we have the first puppy through the tunnel.
You should write that down.
Yeah, is it Joey? I can't tell who it is.
I'll tell one of
I was going to say because all I could see.
Yeah, that's Joey.
Puppy! What a smart boy, Joey. Good job.
Good job.
Good boy. You're so smart.
Oh, I gotta record this.
What a smart puppy. Uh-oh. Is that plastic?
Mm-hmm.
Go get it.
It's not just plain plastic.
I know. It looks like it's a plastic. That's bad to grab it.
Plastic bag.
Oh, look, he went back. Jade.
He's sleeping in it.
We're just gonna be like, what did you do? Oh, hello, Miss Phoebe. Oh, you saying hi? Oh, I'm so proud of him. So one of the things that is super, super important, Rachel's like, well, if Joey can do it, so can I.
Did she go through?
No, Phoebe pushed her out of the way. One of the things that is so, so, so important is giving puppies an enrichment environment and an environment where they can learn new things, learn new skills, and be challenged. You don't want to challenge them with something that they can't handle.
Who's Joey?
Joey went through and back. We turned around and went back the other way. He's such a smart boy. And so just all sorts of different things for them to accomplish and feel proud of themselves and feel like they can problem solve and do good stuff. Do good stuff. Yes, Miss Monica. Oh, you're so smart. Yes, you are. Yes, my girl. Such a pretty girl. Okay, so I keep trying to say this, and I keep getting distracted. Jade and I have decided that the puppies are eating well enough that we are going to start offering them treats from our hand. And then once we start, they take treats from our hand, well, then we can start clicker training. And so you guys will be getting sick of all our clicker training videos, but we will be working on clicker training with them, all sorts of behaviors, which we are very, very excited about. Oh, that's the mop. Really? You're going to scare yourself and you're going to clock Chandler on the head if you do that again. Yes, how is it determined who gets what puppy? We do, it's in order of deposits. In the bathroom. Okay. It is in order of deposits. You can close it. These are neither collies nor St. Bernards. These are a cross between the Great Pyrenees and the Bernese Mountain Dog, which is commonly referred to as a Great Bernese, but that is not a registerable AKC breed because it is a cross. Let's see if we can delete you because you're horrible. Goodbye. Alright, we just blocked him. Sorry guys, I did not see that comment, but he is blocked now. Yeah, so whoever puts the money down first gets first pick, but we wait until 6 weeks. And so I have, I help the people decide which is their best fit because sometimes people are, It's hard to be like at this age still. I mean, these guys are 4 weeks old, and there's still change every day. You know, every day they do a little bit different. And just because, you know, one of them is sweet and fun, yeah, I'm sorry guys that guy was there. He is blocked. Some people just don't have, yeah, I got him blocked. Let me get through these. So one of the things that Facebook has allowed us to do is block the person while they're on live. We can't block after it has been ended. But
that was Rachel, and she went halfway through and freaked out and came back.
Did you scare yourself? You did a good job. Rachel made it halfway through.
Should I mark that down?
If you would like, yeah. Yeah, so that's, yeah, people need lives. Let's just say that. Anyway, puppies. Puppies are going to start getting treats from our hands tomorrow. We will probably start, what did we do? We're probably going to start with scrambled eggs tomorrow, treats from our hands, and then we'll power up the clicker training, and then we'll start doing different games and rewards and stuff with them, and different things. Guys, that mop's really not the cleanest thing, and it's got cleaner on it.
It was like,
yeah, sorry I was so far behind. I would have banned them if I'd gotten there faster. Yeah, so much for they're getting sleepy.
They are.
They're winding down. They're winding down. Someone's got a fuzzy in his mouth. Come here, Chandler. All right, we've got... Are you ready, guys? Ready to go to sleep? It is almost 10 o'clock. It is late for you.
Late for me.
It is late for you. So yeah, so we'll get them eating treats out of our hands tomorrow, see how that goes, and then probably, what's tomorrow? So tomorrow's Tuesday, and then probably Wednesday, power up clicker training, and probably start clicker training by the end of the week. So.
He's got a hold of his tail. Who is that?
Rachel's like, let go of my tail.
That's Monica with Rachel. Oh my gosh. Oh my
Monica! Figure it out, puppy. No, let him figure it out.
Oh my god.
Come here, Rach. Come here, Rach.
Monica.
Monica, now you're just being... You gotta figure it out. Figure it out, you two. Come here, you need some...
Poor puppy.
I know. Come here, Rach. This is hard for me. This is hard for me to let them figure it out. I want to come, jump in, and I want to interrupt. No, they have to. You can throw a toy in there and see if you can distract her, but they've got to figure that. They got to figure that out.
Jeez, Monica.
You have to pee. Is that what? And then come here, baby. I'll cuddle you.
Nothing came out.
She's trying to poop. Either that or she's just...
Still nothing's coming out.
Maybe you're getting tired now.
Come on, take the opportunity. Nope.
You okay, baby?
Monica.
Yeah, that wasn't very nice. That was very hard for me to watch you do that, you meanie.
I think it's just her cousin.
She's just freaked out. Just go pet her. now I'm going to interrupt. Now I'm going to interrupt because now you went after someone else. You need a timeout. All right. You get a timeout. You get a timeout if you're going to be that mean. Nope. You're locked in. Can't get out.
But you don't want her to be like.
But well, I was going to give her a minute to calm down.
Yeah, but you do not want her to be like.
Why don't you put Joey in?
Joey can hold his own.
I'll probably put Chandler in too. There. I'm going to snuggle Rachel for a little bit. Nope. There. Oh, someone going?
Looks like he's peeing.
Good job. Good job, Chandler. Okay. What is it? Throw in the garbage. Yeah, if that was, Monica was being a little, you kind of have to let them fight it out. You can't, you want to jump in, you want to solve their problems, but you can't. You got to let them. Yeah, I'm just going to snuggle her a minute. No, I'm not resting. I'm not taking you out when you're like that. Alright. Come here, Rach. You can go snuggle her.
I already did. It's okay. Smoke breath.
Do you feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Life can't be too bad.
What's on your siblings? Don't get bitten off the tail by Monica.
Rachel, I think, is the best at using the litter box. And of course, she also likes to sleep in it. She likes to sleep in it. So I was actually reading today about different beds for the dogs because I'm getting ready to buy a bed for the dog. And it talked about, this one breeder talked about how you have to know your breed and what kind of dog they have, and watching them where they like to sleep gives you a clue, because not all breeds like fuzzy, furry beds. Some of them like, cooler stuff, and these guys are big dogs with
I bet you that's
with
why
hair.
she likes it over there.
Yeah, and so watching her do that and sleep in that, I think I'm gonna get them like the red mats that Beckett and Castle love. I think I'm gonna get that for in here, like a smaller one, and put that in here.
And if they don't love it, we can always use it for something else.
Yeah, it won't go to waste.
All right, you're in this
All right. I'm trying to find his spot. Say good night, everybody. I know. This is also, they have to learn to self-soothe. This is part of that.
I feel like he was whining and now he's going back to sleep,
so
which
he's
is
trying
good.
to find. When they do that, you can't go in and rescue them. You have to just let them self-soothe and find a spot that they're happy with. They have plenty of siblings. They can go by themselves. Chandler actually usually likes to see that corner, how he's folding up that blanket and there's the blue tarp underneath. He likes to pull that up and lie and sleep on the tarp too, which is another reason why I don't. Because I was going to get a big fluffy doggy bed, but I don't think they're going to like it. So.
I want a big fluffy doggy bed.
You want a big fluffy doggy bed?
I want a big fluffy doggy bed. Dogs and cats have better beds than humans do.
If you say so, I like my bed.
That's because you have a king bed. King beds are the comfiest thing ever. Twin beds are like bricks.
I think it depends on the mattress. All right. Good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Look at that face.